Chia seeds. Despite their tiny size, chia seeds are one of the most nutritious foods on the planet, period. They are whole grain food, not genetically modified and free of gluten. Chia equals strength. Chia seeds, tiny black seeds from Salvia hispanica plant, are a member of the mint family. The Aztecs and Mayans have used it as a source of energy. Chia is an ancient Mayan word for strength. Amazing superfood. Chia seeds are a superfood and have wonderful health benefits. Let's see how these help us. Remember, do not be fooled by their size or judge them by it. Chia seeds are nutrient powerhouses and offer key health benefits. Let's see what they are. Antioxidants. Wow, antioxidants make the impossible possible. These slow down aging, result in younger looking skin, healthy hair, and even reduce the risk of cancer. Antioxidants fight free radicals which come and damage the cell molecules, in turn causing aging and cancer. Hence now you know how to look more younger and fight free radicals to stop cancer. High in fiber. Benefit number 2. All the carbs in chia seeds are fiber. So not only it will keep you full, but it also improves your gut health. The fiber in chia seeds normalizes bowel movements and helps maintain overall bowel health. Benefit number 3. Veggie omega-3. Omega-3 is mainly found in fish, salmon and fish oil. However, thankfully for vegetarians and vegans, chia seeds contain good amount of omega-3 fatty acids which promotes great heart health. Over half of chia seeds fat is omega-3. Now you know how to increase your omega-3 levels and take care of your heart, even if you are a vegan or a vegetarian. Protein. Protein is good for weight loss. Chia seeds have the highest protein content out of all plant foods, period. A high protein diet reduces the desire for nighttime snacking by 50% and reduces thoughts about food by 60%. Particularly vegetarians and vegans, keep that in mind that chia seeds is a very good source of protein for you. Calcium. Believe it or not, vegans and those allergic to dairy products, chia seeds have got more calcium than most of the dairy products. And for those who love yogurt, get a double boost of calcium by adding chia seeds to yogurt. Enjoy. The next benefit, weight loss. Chia seeds are a unique combo of protein and fiber content which helps you feel more full and aids weight loss. Chia seeds contain soluble fiber which actually absorbs large amount of water in your stomach and increases the fullness to slow down absorption of food. So here you have a good tip for weight loss. Include chia seeds in your diet. Next, for blood sugar. Chia seeds may improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control, stabilizing blood sugar levels after meals. Chia seeds lower blood sugar after a high carb meal, helping people with type 2 diabetes. So if you know anybody with type 2 diabetes, definitely let them know. You'll do them a big favor. Chronic inflammation. Lack of exercise, poor diet, bad habits, etc. lead to chronic inflammation. A study found that eating chia seeds daily reduces chronic inflammation markers, thereby preventing the risk of cancer and heart diseases and other chronic inflammation related diseases such as arthritis, Alzheimer's, neurological disorders and pulmonary diseases. So keep that in mind. Very, very important, never eat dry chia seeds and then drink a glass of water, as they might expand in your esophagus and may cause a blockage. So there were multiple cases related to this, that somebody ate dry chia seeds and then drank a glass of water and his esophagus got blocked. So definitely keep that in mind, right? And how can you enjoy chia seeds? Let's see more next. How to enjoy chia seeds? Always eat chia seeds in a moist form, either soaked in liquid or with yogurt, curd, etc. Put a teaspoon of chia seeds in a glass of water and then let it soak for a while and drink it. Restrict your chia seeds intake to max 3 tablespoons per day. I think we have discussed a lot of benefits here, right? So let me finally conclude by saying that chia seeds are wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. As I am talking to you, I have taken a glass of buttermilk and I added 1 teaspoon of chia seeds and I've soaked it for 10 minutes and I'm now drinking that, right? I would like to say that these benefits are amazing, particularly for vegetarians. It has high protein and fiber content, and one of the best sources of plant omega-3 on planet Earth, period, right? So keep these benefits in mind and enjoy chia seeds. And even otherwise, even if you are not a vegetarian, still you have wonderful benefits such as weight loss and the others which we discussed in this video, right? So just because it's a small, do not underestimate chia seeds. Sometimes we might look at the size of the chia seed and think that it's just a small tiny seed, what benefit it might have. Don't do that mistake, right? So with that, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe.